Wike of Rumoprokom Community, Obiakpo, Local Government Area of Rivers State, Nigeria. His Excellency Nyesom Wike, Governor of Rivers State, is a lawyer, a life bencher, an outstanding administrator, and a politician, and a family man. May I invite him? Thank you, sir. Nyesom Wike holds first degrees in political science and administrative studies and law. After a brief stint in private legal practice, Nyesom Wike yielded to the calls to public service and was elected and served twice as the chairman of Obiakpo Local Government Area of Rivers State between 1999 and 2007. As council chairman, he embarked on the delivery of development projects, including roads, water, health center, and market stalls that redefined local government council administration and set the pace for his colleagues in grassroots development. One of his signature projects then is the Obiakpo Postgraduate Hall in this university. Nyesom Wike's performance was so profound that he emerged best performing local government council chairman in the state throughout his 2 tenures. In 2004, Governor Wike served as deputy president of the Association of Local Government of Nigeria, ALGON, and was later elected the president of ALGON. He also represented Africa as a member of the executive committee of the Commonwealth of Local Governments Forum. As ALGON national president, Chief Wike pioneered advancing national security and primary healthcare delivery. He led all local government councils across the country to commit to impactful grassroots development. Between 26 October 2007 and May 28, 2011, Governor Wike served as the Chief of Staff at Government House, Port Harcourt. To date, Wike remains the most impactful Chief of Staff of Rivers State Government House. On the 14th of July 2011, Chief Wike was sworn in by the President of Nigeria, then Goodluck Jonathan, as the Honorable Minister of State for Education. He later emerged as the Supervising Minister of Education, following a cabinet reshuffle in 2013. As Minister, Governor Wike carried out meaningful reforms and expanded access to quality basic education for millions of children, including the most disadvantaged and vulnerable across the country, amongst others. In 2015, Nyesom Wike contested and was elected as the governor of Rivers State. He was re-elected in 2019 for a second term and final term. Since May 29, 2015, Governor Wike has redefined governance, delivering landmark projects in priorities areas such as infrastructure, education, healthcare, security, sports, rural development, urban renewal, empowerment, including 12 flyovers within the last 3 years. Flagging off or commissioning projects across different sectors around the year and through the 23 local government areas of the state. Hence, he has been nationally and internationally acclaimed, first as Mr. Project, then Mr. Quality Project, and now Infrastructure Government. Little wonder then, President Muhammadu Buhari recently conferred on Governor Wike the best state governor on infrastructure. This is in addition to over 25 awards, such as the Commander of the Order of the Niger, the Grand Service Star of Rivers State, the Power of Sports, the United Nations Global Human Settlement Sustainability Award, etc. Also, Governor Wike holds several traditional chieftaincy titles, including the prestigious Dike Onhaikwere. Governor Wike is happily married to Honorable Justice Ebere S. Nyesom Wike, DSSRS, a High Court judge with the Rivers State Judiciary, and blessed with 3 lovely children. Our dear Chancellor, distinguished audience, the award of honorary doctorate degree, and then honorarium, brings excitement, bestows recognition, holds out the world as a university, shows the good lives of the beneficiaries, asserts their fulfillment, and offers encouragement. These were the words of famous persons that have benefited from honorary degrees. However, they are quick to point out that it has never been given for want of excitement, recognition, education, good life, fulfillment, and encouragement. His Excellency the Governor, one of our honorary degree awardees today, has enough of all these already. You would agree with me. A university awards a honorary degree to appreciate, pay tribute, and to exemplify those who, A, optimize the values of the university. And for Rivers State University, this includes excellence, creativity, passion for innovation, manpower development, manpower deployment, and exemplary leadership. According to our Pro-Chancellor and Chairman of Governing Council, Honorable Justice Iche N. Indu, retired in 2012. B, that have contributed to the university and society. C, that demonstrate propensity for value addition to humanity. D, have made outstanding achievement in the fields of endeavor. E, have provided exemplary leadership in different sectors of the nation, the academia, industry, public service, arts, entertainment, sports. His Excellency meets all of these criteria as laid out in the earlier paragraph. In the specific context of this university, His Excellency has made the following contributions. Recall and full payment of emolument of academic staff who were in court over threats to their employment following a strike embarked upon by ASU. B, enhancement of remuneration of staff that have made our university one of first choice by academic and non-academic staff of other institutions across and even outside the country. C, sustenance of uninterrupted academic session for 8 years, making the university one of the first choice for candidates seeking admission and transfer. D, unparalleled development and provision of infrastructure and equipment in the university, including the construction of the Faculty of Management Sciences, my faculty, and the Environmental Sciences, the STG building, the magnificent Senate building, and the North building on this campus, among others. E, development of satellite campuses, creating access to higher education much more easily for people from various parts of the state. F, appointment of a chancellor for the university after a very long while being without a chancellor. H, engendering harmonious industrial relations, conviviality with all unions on campus, as evident in the attention to staff and student welfare, discipline, prompt promotion, and graduation. H, encouragement of supportive relationship between the governing council and all other organs of the university. I, facilitation of the creation and accreditation of new school, college, faculties, departments, units, and programs of the universities. J, spurring the rebranding of the university, leading to it earning a very high reputation in the community of universities in Nigeria and winning laurels, including an international award, the University of the Year 2021. Pro-Chancellor, sir, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, consequent upon the foregoing, I have the pleasure to present for the award of an honorary degree, Doctor of Laws, honoris causa, of this university, the man of the moment, a political strategist, a fearless crusader of good governance, His Excellency, Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike.
By the authority vested on me as Chancellor, and in the name of the Governing Council and the Senate, I confer on you, Your Excellency, the honorary degree of Doctor of Laws, LLD, honoris causa, of the Rivers State University with all the rights and privileges attaching thereto. Congratulations, Your Excellency.